Ever wondered how to make your garden flourish naturally? Or perhaps you're battling some pesky pests? Imagine a garden where plants form beneficial partnerships, enhancing growth, deterring pests, and fostering a bountiful harvest. That's where companion planting comes in, a time-honored gardening technique that could be your secret weapon. So, what's the secret behind companion planting? It's simple. The principles revolve around cooperative growth. Certain plants deter pests, protecting their vulnerable companions. Other plants share nutrients, creating a harmonious exchange of essential elements. Some taller plants provide shade for shorter ones, maximizing sunlight and reducing competition. And let's not forget the aromatic companions, whose fragrance can repel pests and attract beneficial insects. In essence, companion planting is all about creating a thriving garden ecosystem where every plant plays a role. Sounds interesting, right? But how do you start companion planting in your own garden? First, research the plants you want to grow. Understand their needs and identify potential companions. Next, design your garden layout. Place companion plants close together, but not too close to avoid competition. Monitor their growth regularly. Pay attention to their health, any signs of stress or disease. Adjust your strategy as needed. Remember, successful companion planting is a continuous learning process. It requires observation, patience, and a dash of creativity. So that's the magic of companion planting. It's nature's own way of maintaining a healthy garden. From pest control to nutrient sharing, sun management to aromatic companions, it's all about fostering beneficial partnerships. With companion planting, you're not just growing a garden, you're nurturing a vibrant, thriving ecosystem right in your backyard. Happy gardening!